Welcome back to Nicholas Smith Trains. In this video, we're going to be checking out this Pennsylvania Railroad 260 tank engine from PIKO. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we're going to start here with the detail. You got your nice cow catcher. It's got very nice texture. Simulated brass right here on the side here and up on the bell, and your whistle. You also have your nice sanding domes up here. Your nice spoiler. Come down here. Get your nice wheels. You're nicely painted. You get your nice roof along with your Tuscan red. This Pennsylvania is very nicely done on here. Get your windows, door, little built-in grab irons, your windows, your headlight back here, along with your coal for the tank engine, more simulated brass here, and your hook and loop coupler. The overall construction of this engine is very nicely done. It's built for outdoors. It's very rugged. I think that's a very nice part on a PIKO's part here. This locomotive is equipped with digital sound and smoke. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up.
There was like 20 people out here in line. Yeah, I was like, okay.
As always, with your digital sound, it can be activated with a magnet on the tracks. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of this really strong, durable PIKO locomotive. Stay tuned for more videos.